Understanding floor plan in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, floor plan. Whether you're interested in architecture, real estate, or just want to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's discover the meaning and uses of this interesting phrase. A floor plan is essentially a diagram or a drawing of the layout of a room or rooms within a building when viewed from above. It shows the relationships between rooms, spaces, and other physical features. The dimensions, walls, windows, doors, and sometimes furniture and appliances. Can be simple or detailed, depending on its purpose. 1. Real estate. When selling or renting a property, a floor plan helps potential buyers or renters visualize the space and layout of the property. 2. Event planning. For events, a floor plan helps in arranging seating, stages, or booths. 3. Home renovations. Before making any changes to a home, having a floor plan assists homeowners and contractors to make informed decisions. 4. Safety. In commercial buildings, floor plans are crucial for fire escape routes and safety planning. To better understand, let's look at the phrase in action. 1. Could you show me the floor plan of this apartment? 2. I'm not sure where the bathroom is. Let's check the floor plan. 3. Before we start renovating, we should draw a detailed floor plan. And there we have it. Now you know what a floor plan is, why it's important, and how to use it in everyday English. We hope this video has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Always keep learning and see you in the next video.